Good morning, children. This is Neeraj Sharma, your general knowledge teacher. In this particular class, we are going to talk about the things that keep on moving. Okay, so the name is On the Move. We are going to study this. Is your page 38, and your first person is Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach made the first successful high-speed internal combustion engine in 1885 and developed a carburetor which led to the use of the gasoline as fuel. Okay, first you have to remember the names of these two people, Gottlieb Daimler along with Wilhelm Maybach. They both made the first successful high-speed internal combustion engine. Okay, high-speed internal combustion engine in which year? In 1885, and they developed a carburetor which led the use of gasoline as fuel. Okay, it used gasoline as fuel. Now we have Charles Lindbergh is known for his first non-stop solo flight from New York City to Paris across the Atlantic Ocean on 20 and 21st of May 1927. So the name of the person who is visible in this picture is Charles Lindbergh, and he is known for his first non-stop flight. That means the flight that did not stop from New York City to Paris across the Atlantic Ocean. That means that flight crossed the Atlantic Ocean, and the year was 1927, and the dates were 20 and 21st of May. Next we have in 1986, Dick Rutan and Gianna Yeager made the first round the world non-stop flight in an aeroplane without refueling. So in which year? In 1986. You have to remember that these two people, Dick Rutan along with Gianna Yeager, they made a first time round the world non-stop flight. That means the flight that which did not stop in an aeroplane without refueling. That means they did not even stop for the refueling of the aeroplane. So the people were Dick Rutan and Gianna Yeager. Okay, next we have in the year 1947, a Norwegian scientist, Thor Heyerdahl, along with a small crew sailed across more than 6,900 kilometers of ocean on a balsa wood raft called the Kon-Tiki. You can see this in picture also. The name of this balsa wood craft is Kon-Tiki, and the name of the Norwegian scientist is Thor Heyerdahl. He, along with his small crew, sailed across more than 6,900 kilometers. Next is Nautilus was the world's first nuclear-powered submarine. In August 1958, it completed a submerged transit of the North Pole and became the first submarine to accomplish such a feat. So you have just look at this in the picture. It looks like a fish. It has eyes also. So it was the first nuclear powered submarine. You have to remember this. Nautilus is its name, and in year 1958 it completed submerged transit of the North Pole and became first submarine. Okay. Then we have Jesse W. Reno. He was an American who invented a moving stairway in the year 1891, which was later developed into an escalator. The escalators that we use in our malls today. He was the first person to invent the moving stairway. Okay, the stairway that moves. So the name of the person is Jesse W. Reno, and he invented this moving stairway in the year 1891. So you have to remember the name of Jesse W. Reno, and in the year 1981 that he developed a moving stairway. Next we have two brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, designed, built and flew the first powered and controlled flying machine, the aeroplane, in 1903. This is one of the important things that you'll be reading. Two brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, they both designed as well as built and flew the first powered and controlled flying machine. That means the aeroplane was designed, built and flew by these two brothers. The name is Wilbur and Orville Wright. Okay, in year 1903. Then we have German engineer Carl Benz is credited to be the inventor of the modern car. So first of all, Carl Benz belongs to Germany. He is credited to be the inventor of modern car. The cars that we use in our present time, they all have taken the idea from the car that was invented by Carl Benz at a time. Okay, so if it comes, who was the inventor of the modern car? It is the name is Carl Benz, and he belongs to Germany. Fine. Just go through the names of these people and ask me if you have any doubt.